Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and you are watching Maya Luna Corazon. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful infinite scarf, and you perhaps thinking of what about this one. I'm going to show you also how to make this ear warmer headband, but it's gonna be next video so that this video will not be too long. I will show you how to wear this scarf before we start the project. So first gonna be the ear warmer. Actually, this should be in my another video, but anyway, it's gonna do quick. So it's just like you put it on like that. You perhaps ask me like, why do I have to show you? Why you have to show me? I know how to wear it. Anyway, I show you. And if you want to know how to make this one, it's the same stitch. It's the same design as this infinite scarf. And this infinite scarf, super easy. I have make like this round thing. You see all the measurement and everything in the video and also in the free written pattern that I will send to you to your inbox. Just make sure you sign up to the love letter, to the mailing list, and you got the free written pattern of this infinite scarf in your inbox. Maybe this one too. Just comment down below if you like to have also the free written pattern of this ear warmer headband, and I will give you both as a Christmas gift. Holiday season, I want to give you something that you would love, and I hope you love this set. So how to wear this one? It's like this round, right? You just put here and then you just turn. You see, it's like that, and then you just turn to be like twist. Let's say you just twist it and then you put one more time, and that's it. That's how you wear it. And you're gonna make your hair nice. And this is how you wear this set, the infinite scarf with the ear warmer. I will have the video tutorial of the ear warmer next week, or maybe sometime this week. I will see. Very easy. You will perhaps know how to make it right after you have the written pattern, or right after you learn how to make this one. It's just like the number will be a little bit different, but you can always modify. If you know how to make this design, you can make also sweater, many things with these stitches. And this sweater, I have also a video tutorial in my channel. So just make sure you check everything in a crochet tutorial. You have all the tutorial that you want, that you maybe like to save also on your playlist. Share with people you love. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Click that little bell next to it so that you don't miss the upcoming video right in your inbox. So in this project, we're going to use the yarn bulky weight. I have this yarn. Is from Alstermann. It's produced in Germany. It's called Rigoletto Mohair Rose, but they're discontinued already, so you cannot get it anymore. It's so pity because it's so beautiful, this yarn. As you can see, all these little roses around the yarn or the whole skin. I use all together to make the set with infinite scarf and the ear warmer headband. Is almost 5 skein. I have half of the skein left, but only for the infinite scarf is 4 skein. One skein is one skein is 70 meter, 50 gram. Doesn't show the yard. And this is a mixture of 93% wool and 7% mohair. The hook I use is a size 7mm, and this hook is from Fur Crochet hook. You need yarn needle and a pair of scissors. You will also need the tape measurement for that. And this infinite scarf is just one size fit all, let's say. But if you want to make it shorter or longer, it's just up to you. But I'm going to show you the way I make, the size that I make. First, you're gonna start with slip knot, and then you're gonna make chain of 160. When you got 160, then you're gonna plus 1, and this side is a multiple of 2 plus 1. So if you want to make it longer, you can just make it longer. Just make sure that you do a multiple of 2 plus 1. And if you want to make the same size as my one, just go ahead, chain 160 plus 1, and I meet you when you got your chain done. 160 chain plus 1 is about 61.5 inches. Can you see this little flower? I really love it. I wish they still continue to make this, to produce this yarn, because it's so pretty. I really love all these roses around the yarn. I don't know why they stop. All right, now I just do plus 1. Now we're gonna start with row 1. Row 1, you're going to add 1 double crochet in 4 chain from hook, and then 1 double crochet in each stitch across. And here we finish our first row, and this is what you got. I really love this yarn. Look at that. There's so many little rows around across this row. And now we're going to continue row 2. Row 2, just first chain 1, then turn the work. Now you're going to add 1 single crochet in first double crochet, like so. And then chain 2. You're going to skip the next double crochet, that one, and you're going to add a single crochet between stitches, between there, you see, in that space you add 1 single crochet, and then you're going to chain 2. And now you're going to skip the next 2 double crochet. Pay attention, now you skip 2, and you're going to add 1 single crochet in that space, the between stitches. And from now on, you're going to repeat this step by chain 2, skip next 2 double crochet, add 1 single crochet in the between stitch, like that. Now just continue, repeat that across the row. So here we are, almost done with row 2, and add the last 1 chain 2 like always. You can also put a single crochet in third chain of turning chain, or just add single crochet in that chain space or that space like I did. It's up to you, it's the same thing. And just like that we complete row 2. Now chain 3 for row 3. Turn our work, and row 3 quite simple, because you see that chain space over there, the chain 2 space from row 2, there where I poke my finger in. You're just going to add 2 double crochet in that chain space, and this is pretty much row 3. You see, now you're going to repeat that. Just add 2 double crochet in each of that chain 2 space from row 2. And this is the row 3. Keep repeating that until the end of the row. Now we come to the end of row 3, and now we're going to do a little bit different at the end. You see that chain 2 space, we're going to add 1 double crochet there, and the last 1 double crochet, instead of in the chain space, we add another double crochet on in the single crochet from the beginning of row 2. So this is how we complete row 3. And you know, this pattern just the repeating of row 2 and row 3. You can just make as many rows as you want. I'm gonna show you row 4 a little bit, even though it's gonna be the same with row 2, but just want to show you how easy from now to see the stitch. And now row 4 is just the same as row 2. You're going to chain 1 and add 1 single crochet on top of double crochet from previous row. Then you chain 2. Then you're going to skip the first double crochet, and in the between stitch you're going to add 1 single crochet, exactly the same with row 2. Chain 2, and now you're going to skip the next 2 double crochet and add 1 single crochet between the stitches. I want to show you because you can see now the 2 double crochet, they are together because of row 3. Make it easier for you to see the skip of the 2 double crochet like that. You can see now. And then you're going to repeat this chain 2, skip the 2 double crochet, add 1 single crochet in the between stitches, and this is the row 4, and pretty much this design is the repeat of row 2 and row 3, as many rows as you wish your infinite scarf to be. And yeah, I have made in the length of 6.9 inches width. So you can do the same if you want. My last row, I end up with row 3 because I like to have row 3 at the last row to somehow complement the first row, which is the double crochet row. But you can finish at row 2 if you want, but I choose to finish at row 3. So I have finished it, and it's already night. As you can see, the light is different now. My infinite scarf measure at 61.5 inches length with 6.9 inches wide. I mean the width. And now you're going to connect these both ends together. I use slip stitch to connect these both ends together, but you can use yarn needle if you prefer, but I really like to just make it easy, so I just do it with slip stitch. I'm not showing you because I didn't have the camera setting up, but you know how to do slip stitch, right? And this is the result of my slip stitch. It's turned out like this, and I wear this inside. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Before I go, I also want to let you know that the crochet mark, crochet is soul healing. I still have 4 marks at home, and if you want to purchase from me directly, you can connect with me or just write your comment down below this video that you would like to get this mark. And you have 1 week time because we are leaving on 31st of December to the Amazon. I have only 4 marks left, so make sure that you do it fast. By the way, some of you asked me about the pattern library on my website, if it's still available. Yes, it is, and will be available until the 29th of December. And you can see here there's all the written pattern from 2016 until now. I'll be adding this set there as well. And you know, when you purchase this access, you also supporting us to the journey to the Amazon. And if you want to order Crochet Soul Healing product on the website that we work with on the platform online, you can just check it here. You can click the image and it will lead you to the website directly if you prefer to order online to the website and not from me. From me, I have 4 marks left, as I mentioned before. And from the online shop, you can also order this product, all the product you see on my website. Alright, my beautiful friend, I see you next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, just give it a thumbs up and share with your friend, share with all your social media. And if you decided to make this set, make sure that you hashtag Maya Luna Corazon, be beautiful as you are, and also the new hashtag crochet is soul healing. And if you want to know more about my life beside crochet, outside of crochet, you can find me on my DIY Your Life. I will put also the link in description box for you. Okay, I see you later. Stay beautiful as you are. Bye bye.